Hello, Professor Brainius here. No, I wasn't playing this game. I was merely calibrating the system. And that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Now, attention, all my friends at Huntsville Intermediate School. I will be joining you this Friday, November 16th. Yes, November 16th at your school for 4 Professor Brainius shows, 2 for the 5th grade, 2 for the 6th. So, students, be ready. I'm going to be there. I'm excited for it. I have to leave tonight because, well, let me show you. Here's my plan. So I'm traveling, here I am in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I'm going to be traveling on a hot air balloon overnight to the Seattle area. That's going to be quite fun, a little bit chilly. There I have reserved travel on a submarine through the Pacific. It's a very high-speed craft. I'm going to be traveling through the Pacific Ocean over here to Tokyo, Japan. Now, once in Tokyo, Japan, my plan there is to be on a small steamer ship over into China. Now, from there, hang on, what? Hang on, did I say Huntsville, Texas? What? Well, hang on just a minute, students. Forget all that. I'm not going to be needing that. Now, instead of traveling the world, forget the international travels. This will be a little bit more, expedient, you would say. How about I just take an automobile and travel down the highway and arrive at your town? Yes, I think that's what I'll do. All right, now, I look forward to meeting all of you. I've heard good things about your creative minds and your desire to do your best and learn new things. So, I'll see you Friday. Remember, never stop learning.